Hello there, today I want to show you on how to let your employee clock in and clock out in the FeedMe device and check their timesheet on your portal or your phone. First, log in into FeedMe. Next, locate to the bottom left and click on the setting. Next, locate to the bottom middle and click on Employee. In here, if you haven't created your employee, you may do so by clicking the Add Employee, which is located top right. Next, create the role for your employee. Now let us do the clock in or clock out. In here, there are two methods of doing this. Now I'm going to show the first method, which is that we go to the right bottom here, click on the robot, and here you can see the clock in or clock out button. Now I'm going to clock in. To clock out, you also can go and do the same way, which is click on the robot here and click on the clock in or clock out button and key in the code. Here's another method, which is you can click on the log out, and here you can see the clock in or clock out button. Here let me show you on how to find the report. In here, locate to the bottom left and find the report. Here choose the timesheet. Select date to see the clock in or clock out, and here you can see the employee clock in and clock out time. Another way to see it in your web browser is to log in to your Feed portal, go to Report and find the timesheet.
Select the date and click on Apply.
Another one is you can go to the employee here, and find the timesheet. That's all for this video, thank you.